kids on these two buses have set out on the trip of a lifetime. They all live in extreme poverty, but today they're going to have their horizons expanded. They're about to experience something most people in the West take for granted.
हम तो सिर्फ यही सोचते थे कि हम कभी एरोप्लेन को देख ही नहीं पाएंगे, लेकिन अब इतनी खुशी हो रही है कि बस हम बता नहीं सकते कि हमें कितना मजा आएगा। हमको बहुत खुशी हो रही है और हमको ऐसा लग रहा है कि जब हम एरोप्लेन पे देखेंगे तो हमको कितना मजा आएगा।
ये शुरू से बोल रहे थे कि कैसा होगा, हम तो केवल ऊपर उड़ते हुए देखते हैं, कैसे उड़ता है, क्या वो हमको ऊपर लेकर जाएगा या आगे से कैसा होगा, कहाँ बैठकर चलता है, उसकी जो पंखुड़ियाँ होती हैं कितनी बड़ी होती हैं, कितना बड़ा वो खुद होता है, अंदर जाएंगे तो क्या बिल्कुल वैसा ही माहौल होगा जैसा कि एरोप्लेन में हमने फिल्मों में देखा है, वगैरह वगैरह इस टाइप की बातें ये सब बोलते थे।
Their pilot today will be Bahadur Chand Gupta. He's spent 28 years in the aviation industry, and sharing that experience with India's poor has become a personal mission.
Yeah, it is a dream because it is beyond their reach. Still, they are very poor people. They don't have the means, and when they see their kite flying over their head, they want to have an experience, they want to see how does it look. It is a dream for them.
थोड़ा सामने ढूंढो कहाँ पर है, नजदीक पहुंच गए हैं, बिल्कुल दिख रहा है साफ।
After a 5-hour bus trip to India's capital, New Delhi, the kids are finally here.
How are you? You want to go to the plane? You have to take the boarding pass? You want to go to Bombay? Okay. Flight for Bombay. Okay.
Dr. Nirmal Jindal is Gupta's wife.
Boarding pass. What is it called? Boarding pass. Very good. You want to go to Bombay?
And when she's not introducing children to the joys of air travel, she's a professor of political science at Delhi University.
All right. Welcome to the plane. Go. Go to the plane. Hi. Are you happy? Go to the plane. Welcome.
Every weekend, Gupta and his wife invite villagers and slum dwellers on board their Airbus 300.
और मैं यहाँ पर आपकी फ्लाइट में सबकी देखरेख के लिए रखी गई हूँ। तो पहले आपको बताऊंगी एयरक्राफ्ट इससे पहले कि एरोप्लेन जो है आसमान में जाए, इससे पहले आपको कुछ प्रिकॉशंस लेनी होती हैं। सबसे पहले आपको बेल्ट लगानी है, सेफ्टी बेल्ट। ये बेल्ट क्यों लगाई जाती है? ये बेल्ट इसलिए लगाई जाती है।
But no matter what precautions they take, or try to take, these kids won't actually be flying anywhere today. It might not be far from the airport, but Gupta's Airbus 300 is well and truly grounded. It's missing one of its wings and part of the tail section, and it hasn't left this quiet Delhi suburb since Gupta brought it here 3 years ago.
It is for the first time that a full-flight plane is shifted from the international airport to the residential area for public view.
This home movie, narrated by Gupta's wife, describes how the aging Airbus was completely dismantled, transported and then put back together.
To shift this plane from an international airport to this park was not an easy task. And it took almost 2 years to complete it.
When the plane was finally opened to the public, it was the culmination of a long-held dream for Gupta. As a boy growing up in a small village, he was obsessed with the idea of flight, and in 1980 he became a mechanical engineer for Indian Airlines.
When I joined Indian Airlines as an engineering officer, and I went to my village, they felt that I'm a very, very big person in Delhi, and I can do anything for them.
What the villagers wanted more than anything was to go on board a plane. But when Gupta tried to sneak someone into the secure zone at the airport, he was caught.
So for security reasons, he was never able.
I was helpless, handicapped.
So you decided that instead of bringing the village to the plane, you would bring the plane to the village?
Yes.
And so he did. The fuselage now juts out over a neighbouring village. People here were among the first to get a peek.
जैसे बच्चे लोगों को ले गया, बच्चे लोग खूब खुश रहा जहाँ देख के। पहले मैंने कभी नहीं देखा था, और जहाँ पर आया तो मैं सोचा था पहले कैसे जहाज होगा, कैसा। पहली बार देखा मैंने जहाज तो पहले तो लगा डर लगा, और यहाँ पर आ गए तो जैसे पता लग गया, देखने से अच्छा लग रहा है। तो कुर्सी पे बैठे और बहुत भी मुलायम कुर्सी है। वो देखा तो है नहीं, घर की तरह है वो, तो बस की तरह नहीं है। खाना पकाओ, वहीं खाना खाओ, बैठो लेटो, सब होते हैं।
Would you like to one day fly on a real plane?
अरे हम नहीं बैठे भज्जे मारते होते। होते हो तो कसरत है भी, हम कैसे भी अच्छे हुए।
Them are scared also. They don't want to fly. Large number of Indians, when they come here, when they climb stairs, they are horrified. I mean, they know that when we tell them that this is a stationary plane, they know that it never flies. But the moment they step in, they have a kind of fear that it will fly and what is going to happen to them.
Then we force them to come up and have the feeling. Yeah. Okay, if somebody is afraid, then it is my duty to give the complete environment, comfortable, flight, basically.
Black box. ब्लैक बॉक्स क्या होता है? ब्लैक बॉक्स। किस कलर? अरे ऐसे नहीं निकलना। You have to unfasten it. इसको कैसे खोलेंगे? Slip it out of the bag.
आप दोबारा करो, देखते हैं कैसे किया। करो, निकलो बेटे, कैसे निकले देखना जरा। निकल के दिखा, दोबारा निकलो। Okay, ऐसे नहीं बैठो।
You have to see, you have to learn it. नहीं, कैसे दोबारा बताइए, कैसे इसको खोलेंगे? You have to learn it. The first thing in aviation industry is discipline, because most of the people who are coming from slums or from poor background, they are not very much disciplined.
निकलो, yes.
Very good.
पता लग गया कैसे करना है? दोबारा।
So they have to remain quiet when they have to queue up, and they have to be patient. They are very, very serious. They are trying to catch each and every word. At that time, I try to give them the message of drugs control, population control, and AIDS control. देश की सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है आज इंडिया में? बढ़ती जनसंख्या। Very good. Give him a big hand. Get up, please. Overpopulation. Get up, please. Come here.
So you use the fact that you have a captive audience as an excuse to get some other messages across.
Otherwise, it's difficult to gather people. I see that children from 10 to 15 years of age, they are listening to me very carefully and they're trying to understand what I'm saying. पर आप एक बात बताइए, जो कि और भी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है इंडिया के लिए, जिसको कि हमें कंट्रोल करना है. What is that? है? बताइए. एड्स. सुना है उसका नाम? एड्स के बारे में जानते हैं? What is AIDS? एड्स एक ऐसी बीमारी है जो कि फैल सकती है। अभी मैं आपको पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं दूंगी, हमारे पास लिटरेचर है, पर इसके बारे में आप जानने की जरूर कोशिश करेंगे कि
We are giving a free trip to the people, and we want to use these things to, to serve the society. So we want that the people, the children, they should be a very good citizen of India tomorrow.
How do they see the plane?
It's more than a palace for them. I mean, here, there are a lot of palaces which are open for public view, but plane is one of the things which they do not, they can surround the airport and they can see the plane only from outside, but from inside, it's impossible for them for the whole of their life to see the plane from inside. So this is the difference. It makes a lot of difference to their life that they have seen the plane.
And it's not just the poor who come on board. During the week, the plane is used commercially to train air hostesses and engineers. Middle-class Indians visit as well. Many have flown before, but they also get lectures on mid-air etiquette, especially when it comes to respecting the air hostess.
How you call the air hostess? This is the button for the air hostess. जब भी बुलाना है air hostess को,
You can be here, you stand here, okay? And two people can be here, okay? Cockpit. तो कौन बैठते हैं यहाँ पर? Pilots. इंजन का थ्रोटल लीवर है, इससे इंजन की स्पीड हम बढ़ाते हैं, बढ़ गई, और कम कर रहा हूँ, कम हो गई, ठीक है ना? नजर आ रहा है आपको? जैसे गाड़ी में एक्सेलरेटर होता है, ठीक है? और जितने भी मीटर हैं.
So maybe this is your childhood dream as well come true?
Yeah, right, in a way. Yeah, it's fun, it's real fun. Because I'm an engineer, and we feel a pilot is the boss of the airline, he's the highest paid person. So to behave like a pilot is really very interesting. वहाँ पर फायर एक्सटेंशन ऑन हो जाता है, तो पानी आता है, ठीक है? और ये जितने भी नजर आ रहे हैं आपको, ये सारे सर्किट ब्रेकर हैं.
राइट. किसने बताया कि अपने
अब देख रहे हैं बहुत अच्छे लग रहा है। हम पहले सोच रहे थे कि हम कभी पायलट नहीं बन सकते और फिर अब वहाँ पे आए ना तो सोचे कि एक दिन हम बड़े होके कभी ना कभी तो बनेंगे पायलट या फिर एयर होस्टेस।
Do you think any of these children ever imagined that they would see the inside of an airplane?
नहीं, कभी सोच भी नहीं सकते थे। बल्कि जब मैंने इनको बताया तो इनमें से किसी ने विश्वास ही नहीं किया। उन्होंने सोचा कि सर मजाक कर रहे हैं। मैंने कहा बेटा नहीं, वहाँ पर एक ऐसा प्लेन है, हम आपको लेकर चलेंगे, एरोप्लेन में बैठाएंगे। तो उन्होंने कहा कि सर नहीं, हमको कौन बैठाएगा, हम तो इतने गरीब परिवारों से, हमारे पास तो पैसे भी नहीं है। मैंने कहा नहीं बेटा, इनके लिए तो ये ऐसा है जैसे कि परियां इनके बीच उतर